Hello, my dear followers. As usual, it's Thompson, the trainer at RTC TV Training Center. I'm here to discuss with you what is based on a multimeter. And today's topic, we are going to discuss on how to measure the voltage. We are going to measure two types of voltage. There is AC voltage and DC voltage. AC voltage, we measure through our outlet socket, as you can see at your own screen. And also the DC voltage is came from those type of battery. While we are measuring the voltage, we may ask ourselves, what is a voltage? A voltage is the force which pushes the current to flow through the circuit. As you can see at your own screen, we start by measuring the voltage through this outlet socket.
So as you can see, first of all, we have to set properly the multimeter. As we are going to measure the outlet socket, it means it's AC current, and we need to see the voltage of this AC. It means we have to set the voltage at the multimeter through the voltage line in AC current. As you can see at your own screen, you have to switch on this outlet socket. As you can see, there is a current flow through it. So we are going to measure the voltage of that AC current through this outlet socket. So first of all, you have to switch on the multimeter. As you can see at your own screen, the multimeter is well set to the voltage in AC current. As you can see at your own screen, while I'm measuring this one, which is switch off, there is no value to the multimeter. But to the second one, as you can see, there is a 210 voltage measured through that second line. As you can see, we go to the third one. We see that there's 210 voltage across through this outlet socket. So we are going to change and come back and switch on and off, see how the variation went through the display of this multimeter. We went to the second line, we measure and we switch off. There's no current flow through it. As you can see, when I switch on, there's around 200 voltage across through it. And finally, as we finish to see that this outlet socket, there's a voltage of 210, which is across through it. And you are going to connect with this power supply to see if it's responding accordingly. As you can see at your own screen, is a DC power supply, and then there's a flow current through it is on, as you can see at your own screen.
As you can see also, we are measuring the voltage of this battery. So by the help of this multimeter, we adjust through the voltage line.
So after adjusting through the voltage line, and we are going to measure this battery, and this battery, as you know, we have to adjust up to the voltage but in DC measurement. As you can see at your own screen with that multimeter, we are going to measure the voltage of this battery. With the help of this multimeter, I connect the probe to those terminals. As you can see at your own screen, I need to adjust to reach the real value of this battery. And once again, I need to adjust again to know whether this voltage across this, the voltage of this battery, as you can see at your own screen, the readings is 9 voltage. This battery carry 9 voltage. It means with this multimeter we can read the voltage of this battery. So you have to remind yourselves, you have to set properly whether you want to measure the voltage in DC or the voltage in alternative current. You have to set proper the multimeter in order to get the real value of the voltage accordingly.
Thank you for your attention. I hope you have learned much more based on the measurement of the voltage, either AC voltage and DC voltage. And I hope you have learned much more. Don't forget to share and subscribe to your beloved ones, and also remind them to press the notification bell in order to get the new content at time. See you next time. Enjoy.